Duolingo's advertising got me again. I bought another subscription, the Duolingo Max subscription to be exact. And this is a new subscription tier that is above Super Duolingo, and it was released in March of this year. Now, I tried out Duolingo Max for 30 days and I really enjoyed it. But is it really worth the money? Currently, Duolingo Max is $29.99 every single month, $167.99 every single year. There is also a family plan that costs $239.99 every single year. So what exactly do you get with Duolingo Max? Duolingo Max includes all the benefits of Super Duolingo: personalized practice, unlimited hearts, unlimited attempts at legendary challenges, and no ads, along with 2 completely new features, Roleplay and Explain My Answer. Roleplay is powered by GPT-4, which is the newest technology from OpenAI, and the goal is to get you exposure to real-world conversations. You'll be presented with a variety of scenarios such as arrange transit from the airport, plan an outdoor wedding, find the perfect birthday gift, and even buy a birthday treat. So the scenario of the roleplay kicks off by asking you a question, and then you can answer this question any way that you see fit. But guess what? There is not a word bank to help you out, so you have to create your own sentences. And then the AI will do its thing and it will respond to what you just responded to. And the cool thing is you can have different conversations for the same scenario just because you are answering the questions differently. I really enjoyed this feature because it showed me that I lacked a lot of conversational skills in French, and that I also lacked a lot of vocabulary in French, and how challenging it was to create my own sentences without a word bank. And if you want to gain a higher score in roleplay, you just have to use more and more words. After the scenario is over, you will receive some feedback on how you can make the conversation even better. You'll get some explanations of alternative words and phrases that you could have used during the conversation, and the overall accuracy of the conversation. Now, the Explain My Answer feature can be used when you are completing your lessons. After you have your answer, you can click on this little icon and it will give you a simple explanation of why that answer was right or why that answer was wrong. So this can be very helpful if you keep on making the same mistake over and over again and you don't know why. As well, at the bottom of the explanation, you have the opportunity to click another button if you are still confused and you need more explanation. So with all that being said, is it worth buying Duolingo Max? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now, let's also look at some responses from other language learners because I made a little poll on Twitter and on YouTube. With my poll on YouTube that I created 8 days ago, the question was, would you ever pay for Duolingo Max? I have 143 votes and 10% said yes, I would. 55% said never, 8% said I already pay for Duolingo Max, 15% said what is Duolingo Max, and 13% said I don't use Duolingo. Now moving over to Twitter, or X now actually, I got 25 votes with the same question asked, and 8% said yes I would, 64% said never, 12% said I already have it, and 16% said I don't use Duolingo. I love to ask other language learners' perspective on buying subscriptions for their target language or languages. From my perspective, yes, Duolingo Max was worth paying for because I really wanted to test out the AI features. I've been hearing a ton about AI and how it's helpful with learning languages, and I wasn't very sure of this fact, so I wanted to test it out myself and see if AI really lived up to the hype. Now, as far as renewing my subscription for Duolingo Max, I don't think it is worth paying for, which is why I did not renew my subscription. I'm a very price-conscious language learner, so I'm always trying to minimize how much I am spending on language learning. And even though I do think that the new features, roleplay and Explain My Answer are very useful, I just cannot justify this price. So unless Duolingo lowers the monthly subscription price or at least adds more features to Duolingo Max, I won't be purchasing a new subscription for Duolingo Max anytime soon. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you would like to learn more about my experience using Duolingo, watch this next video.